Hi there, I'm going to show you a couple of new features from HubSpot for Pro and Enterprise hubs. Those two features are notification profiles and presets. So what are these for? Well, previously you couldn't set global notification profiles. If you wanted global notification profiles, you would have to ask each HubSpot user to update their notification preferences. Now we can actually set a notification profile to remember all of our notification settings and apply that to a group of users in presets. So let's start off by creating a notification profile. You'll want to go to Settings, Account Setup, Account Defaults, and then Notification Profiles, and then click Create Notification Profile. I'll give this a name. So I'm indicating what the notifications are for and potentially what team it's for as well. You can have multiple notification profiles. You might have one for the marketing team, one for the sales team, etc. So in this case, I want to do an email only notification preset. So I'm going to get rid of everything else and just have email turned on. And I'm going to leave all the defaults on here, but you could go through each of these and turn off or turn on notifications that you want in this notification profile. So once I've done that, I'll save this. Now that I've created my notification profile, let's go over to presets where we'll use the notification profile. So now we want to be in Settings, Account Setup, Users and Teams, and then Presets. And again, let's create a preset here. I'll give this a name as well. That notification profile I just created was for the marketing team. So this preset is going to be the marketing team, and I'll give them that notification profile. That will happen here. There's a couple of other things that we can set in the preset as well. So the default homepage, we can set potentially 2 dashboards. We can set one of the default dashboards, set the default language and date and number format. And then we go to email signature. So if you want a global email signature that is preset across everyone in this group, you can set that up here. You can copy and paste that from your current signature, or you can set it up with simple text using personalization tokens to pull through the username. Now for this preset, I can set the notification profile that I just set up. So let's click Select Notification Profile, and we'll select that one that I just created. And that will show you again what those notification preferences are. So now that we've done the setup here, we've got our general email signature and notification profile set for this preset. We can now assign users to the preset. So here's where, in this example, I would add all of my marketing team members. So let's just find me, for example. I'm now part of the preset. I'll save that. And so now those notification preferences and the other presets apply to my user in HubSpot. So that's an overview of how to set up the notification profiles and presets in HubSpot. If you have any questions, just let us know in the comments. Thanks.